Can you see yourself in the 2022 Nissan Altima? Take a closer look at this sporty and practical Altima. From its athletic performance to its available all-weather capability to its spacious, comfortable cabin, this stylish, safety-minded midsize is the ideal family sedan. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, fog lamps, electronic stability control, blind spot monitor, rear spoiler, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes. Stylish comfort blends beautifully with the latest tech in this can-do Altima. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.